Arithmetic progression. Good morning, students. The next topic we are going to study is arithmetic progressions. What is arithmetic progression? Now we will study under the following headings. A sequence of arrangement of numbers in a definite order according to some rule is known as sequence. Arithmetic progression is a sequence in which terms increase or decrease regularly by same constant. This constant is known as common difference of progression series. For example, even numbers, they increase or decrease by number 2. Odd numbers, they increase or decrease by number 2. In other words, an arithmetic progression is list of numbers in which the first term is given and each term is obtained by adding a fixed number d to the preceding terms. This fixed number d is called common difference. This can be positive or negative or both. Positive or negative or 0, not both. We usually denote the first term of AP as small a, the common difference by small t, and last term by small l. If the first term is small a and common difference is d, then a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d and so on represents an arithmetic progression for different values of a and d. This is the general form of an AP. In an AP, d is a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2, a4 minus a3 up to an minus 1, where an denotes the nth term of the series. In general, an plus 1 minus an is the same for different values of n, or in other words, n plus 1 minus an is independent of n. Then given list of numbers form an AP. The nth term of an AP with first term as a and common difference d is given by the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Student, kindly note this formula: an equals a plus n minus 1d. An is also called general term of AP. If there is n terms of AP, then an represents the last term. An represents the last term L. The sum of first n terms of an AP is given by the formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 a plus L, where a is the first term and L is the last term. Sn is equal to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1d, where a is the first term and d is the common difference. Now, on the basis of this knowledge, we start with exercise 5.1. We will discuss few questions and the rest you can do it yourself. In which of the following situation does the list of the numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? The taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. Let us see the first solution. According to the statement, the fare for the journey of 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 4 kilometer are respectively rupees 15, then 15 plus 8, then 15 plus 2 into 8, 15 plus 3 into 8, which comes 15, 23, 31 and 39. You can see there is a difference of 8. 23 minus 15 is 8, 31 minus 23 is 8, 39 minus 31 is 8. Here the terms continually increase by the same number 8, so the list forms an AP. Let the amount of air present in the cylinder. Alright, second is the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Now we have to check. First thing is how to understand this question. Amount of air present in the cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Let the amount of air present in the cylinder be x units. According to the statement, the list giving the air present in the cylinder is given by x comma x minus x by 4 is equal to 3x by 4, 3x by 4 minus 1 upon 4, 3x by 4. Let us take LCM. 12x minus 3x, 9x over 16. Then 3x by 4 minus x, that is minus x by 4. 9x upon 16 minus 3x by 4 is 9x minus 16 minus 12x upon 16 minus 3x by 16. Thus 3x upon 4 minus x is not equal to 9x upon 16 minus 3x upon 4. We can see that the sequence is not having a constant common difference, so these do not form an AP. Let us see the second question. Write first 4 terms of AP. Write first 4 terms of the AP when the first term A and common difference D are given as follows. A is 10 and D is 10, A minus 2, D 0. We know that if the first term is A and the common difference is D, then A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D represents an AP for different values of A and D. Putting A equals to 10 and D is equals to 10, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, we get the required AP as 10, 10 plus 10, 10 plus 20, 10 plus 30, 10, 20, 30, 40. These are the first 4 terms of AP. Now A is minus 2 and D is 0. In A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, if we equate, we get the values minus 2 plus 0, minus 2 plus 2 into 0, minus 2 plus 3 into 0. Answer is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. So again common difference is 0 and first 4 terms are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and minus. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. First is 3, 1, minus 1, 3 and second is minus 5, minus 1, 3 and 7. Let us see the solution. The given AP is 3, 1, minus 1 and minus 3. Clearly the first term A is 3 and the common difference between the second and first term is 1 minus 3 minus 2. Second is AP is given minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7. First term is minus 5 and D is minus 1 minus 5, that is minus 1 plus 5, 4. In this way we find out the first term and common difference of the terms of AP. Which of the following are APs, and if they form an AP, find the common difference D. Write 3 more terms. The first series is 2, 4, 8 and 16. Second series is 2, 5 by 2, 3 and 5 by 2. Now let us see how it has to be done. Here we have A2 minus A1. In the first series the numbers are 2, 4, 8 and 16. A1 is 2, A2 is 4, A3 is 8, A4 is 16. A2 minus A1 is 4 minus 2, 2. A3 minus A2 is 8 minus 4, 4. A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. That is, the difference between the consecutive terms is not coming same. So this is not an AP. Let us consider one more series. 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2. A1 is 2, then A2 is 5 by 2, A3 is 3, A4 is 7 by 2. Let us see A2 minus A1, 5 by 2 minus 2. Take the LCM. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 upon 2, that is 1 over 2. Then A3 minus A2 is 3 minus 5 by 2. That is equal to 6 minus 5 upon 2, 1 upon 2. A4 minus A3 is 7 by 2 minus 3. 7 minus 6 upon 2, 1 by 2. We can see everywhere the common difference is coming half. So the terms are in AP. Students, you are requested to do exercise 5.1 of arithmetic progression NCERT book using this knowledge. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe, keep on studying. Thank you very much.